Prime Minister Narendra Modi will reply to the motion of thanks in the Lok Sabha at 5 p.m. This even as the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha might be in trouble for his allegedly unsubstantiated and defamatory remarks on the floor of the House on Monday. We get you the remarks that have been made by Rahul Gandhi. So Rahul Gandhi made a mention of several issues. In fact, he also raised the voting in Maharashtra, and he went on to claim that there were several new voters that were added to the list. Apart from that, he also made a claim on China, with the union ministers countering it. In fact, he spoke about the external affairs minister also going to the United States, seeking an invite for the prime minister, another charge that has been countered by the NDA ministers. Uproar erupted in the lower house and the upper house of the parliament as well, with the opposition MPs continuously raising slogans against the government on several issues. Participating in the debate on the president's address, Rahul Gandhi said that they would not send their foreign minister to the US to get the prime minister invited.
When we talk to the United States, we would not send our foreign minister to invite our prime minister to his coronation. We would not send him 3 or 4 times, please invite our prime minister. Because if we had a production system and if we were working on these technologies, the American president would come here and invite the prime minister. So it is important to understand where
Leader of opposition cannot make such serious, unsubstantiated statement. This is related to the relation between two countries, and he is making an unverified statement about invitation of the Prime Minister of our country. It's better than our dignity. How can you make such kind of statement? He's leader of opposition, sir. He should be responsible in making such statement.
LOP is giving us very positive suggestions. Why they are worried, sir? For the country, he is giving.
Leader of opposition has the information from any official source. He must inform the House. If leader of opposition has the information, please inform the House. Who has told you that foreign ministers have visited for the purpose which you have mentioned? You must specify it.
So, I'm sorry that disturbed you, that question. I apologize for disturbing your peace of mind.
My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, fireworks expected today on the issues that have been mentioned by Rahul Gandhi. There was a direct counter on the floor of the House itself, with several NDA ministers also fact-checking Rahul Gandhi. But today, the Prime Minister is also expected to respond in the motion of thanks.
Well, that's right. In fact, the BJP will be looking that the Treasury bench must take action against Mr. Rahul Gandhi, because yesterday Mr. Kiran Rijiju pointed out that Mr. Rahul Gandhi should speak with facts and proof. In fact, he also pointed out that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is the leader of opposition, and if he continues to speak lies, that would demean his position. And he also reminded that Mr. Rahul Gandhi should respect the position of Prime Minister and the image of the country. Meanwhile, the Congress MPs continues to extend their support to Mr. Rahul Gandhi. In fact, several of the Congress MPs says that whatever Mr. Rahul Gandhi said, the entire country is watching, and what more proof does the BJP need? In fact, the Congress also downplays Prime Minister Narendra Modi's address today, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to speak today at around 5 p.m. inside the Parliament, where the Congress party says that the Prime Minister should speak like a Prime Minister, and the entire opposition would keenly watch whether Prime Minister will counter-attack the allegations that has been levelled against the BJP by Mr. Rahul Gandhi. And the speech should not be focused on the Delhi elections, rather should be focus on the issues that are going across in the country. So this particular attack coming in from the Congress party, whereas the BJP and several of the BJP MPs are continuously counter-attacking Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech, stating that the leader of opposition spoke without any facts.
Okay, all right. Sabyasachi